Hi friends, this is a very important session amongst the all session. Okay, why I am saying so? Because for us, when you are doing a trading in stock market, so you need to have a proper control on your mind and your budget, and also you should not be greedy, and you also need to note certain rules for before taking the trade. Okay, so in this video, I am going to explain all those things through one presentation so that you will get some better idea. Okay. Uh, See, the ultimate truth of the market is amateurs chase profits, professional protect capital. Okay, those who don't have any knowledge, they always look for profits. Whereas professionals, they always save the capital. So they don't trade in unnecessary market. Okay, so whenever there is a proper setup, then only they will enter the market and they will trade. The illusion is we have a lot of assumptions which people normally believe. One of them is trading is very easy for making money. It's not. Okay, the reality is trading is a professional skill required years of practice, discipline, and emotional control. Some people feels that I will do scalping so that I will get more and more profit. So more trade is equal to more profit. Until unless there is no rules are not matching the trade. So you cannot trade. You can do as number of as trade you want as long as you are getting the proper setup. Over trading destroys accounts quality over quantity. Sit tight is a core skill. Many days yield no trade. Okay, sometimes you no need to trade in particular days. You avoid trading. Wait for your price, wait for your level, then only you trade. You need insider news. So one more thing, indicator guarantee profit. So any indicator will not give you the guarantee of any profit. Okay, indicators lags and only interpret prices. Price action is primary. No indicator predicts the future. Okay, but whereas in Gann we will understand where to buy and where to sell. That is the added advantage in this. You need insider news. Okay, so price reflects all information. It is not possible to get insider information. Whenever there is a price movement happens, then you will understand there is something is cooking. Okay, smart money leaves institutional blueprints in price and volume. Big capital is required. Small capital with strict risk management builds wealth over time. Okay, chota paise se you can make a lot of money also. With small amount also you can build a capital net worth, but for that also you need to follow certain rules. Okay, so whatever I have explained in the entire training procedure, all rules if you follow, if there is a time matching, planetary positions are matching, price level is matching, then enter. You see why profit will not come. Okay, so anatomy of revenge trading. Okay, so normally what happens, people build bigger position, increasing lot of size, recover the loss quickly, bigger loss, the market neutralize the chaotic emotional position, capital पूरा distraction हो जाता है. So loss and initial normal operating loss occurs. Anger or emotion. So गुस्से में, in anger you will take lot of trades, and you will forget all the logic. You want to get at the end of the day, you want to be a profitable trader. Some days if there is a loss also, you should accept that. Okay, then only you will become more successful trader. Markets are neutral, emotions are not. Emotions trading equals random decisions. Ignoring strategy rules or trading continuously without setup is the biggest problem. Anger and emotion. The trader feels I must recover today. Logic is abundant. Okay, so don't take a revenge trading. The professional mindset engine. Okay, what is patience is the edge, emotional neutrality, process over profit, think in probability, no trade in a certain, even the best setup in only 50 to 70% of the time. Discipline is greater than intelligence. Intelligence fails without a strict adherence to the rules. Emotional neutrality means zero excitement after win and zero depression after loss. Just pure execution. Patience is very, very important. What W.D. Gann used to say. Okay, so the mathematical market analysis you need to do. Whatever the indicator I have given, until unless you are not getting price near to green zone, you will not go for long or short trade. Until unless you go get price below the red zone, you will not go for short trade. You will never buy long positions at the red zone. Precise time cycles. Okay, what time cycle where you supposed to I draw a vertical lines in the trading view. Why I draw? Because that is the time where you're supposed to trade. Okay, based on the planetary positions for the particular day. When Jupiter is there, Venus is there, Moon is there, you mark high and low of that particular time and trade. Don't trade entire day. Only 3 times in a day or 2 times in a day. One single setup is sufficient. Okay. Price geometry, that is whatever the indicator I have given, that will help you in this. Predicting the market turns, astrological influence. Okay. This will help you only provided you follow all these things. Okay. So if a planetary position says that from today market reversal will come, so you also need to follow the indicator. A legendary trader of early 1900, Gann rejected the gambling mindset. He approached the market not with hope, but with structural engineering. Okay. This is a completely one set of engineering process where people follow certain rules to make money. The core equation of market movement is price plus time is equal to market movement. Okay. The Gann believed that trend changes do not happen randomly. They occur precisely when price and time square out. Time is equally as important as the price itself. Okay. If you give the importance to the price, you also need to understand when you are entering. Your investment in September 21st of September 2025, and you're investing on today, that is 19th of March, which will give you the more returns. You just do the back test and you will understand. The geometry of the market, Gann angles, the 1 into 1 angle, that is square root angles, 1 unit per time unit represents the perfect balance. Break-off angle is equal to trend change. Mathematical support and resistance, which I have already given to you. The time cycle, that is 30 days, 45 days, 90 days, which I have given in the indicator for intraday also. That is 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Okay, so then the same applies for the annual time cycle also. Okay, so 180 day means that is 21st of September. After that, market might fall. Okay, so you need to be cautious over here. Okay, and time cycle 7 year, 20 year, all these things are very important. A day at the New York Stock Exchange. One day, Mr. Gann made a preparation and shown the entire world how he can trade better than anybody. He studied previous high and low, time cycle, and trend direction before the open. He already knew the key turning points. He executed. He waited, does not chase the price, waits for the key support angle interactions and cycle completions. Then enter, execute only at high probability points with a high conviction. Then stop loss, he will put the strict stop loss. Then hold the trend moves, believing big profits come from holding, not scalping. Okay. Executive observer noted he traded calmly, almost mechanically, zero emotions. Okay. So that's how he had shown entire New York Stock Exchange that how he can trade better than anybody else. Never overtrade, cut losses quickly, pyramid winners, trade active markets, study historical behavior. These are all very, very important Gann golden trading rules. Okay. The modern Gann framework, first step 1 is identifying the trend. Second step is mark key levels. Third is wait for the reaction. Step 4, enter with the confirmation. Step 5, risk control. Step 6, hold winning trade. So these are all I'm going to explain in next. Okay. So just I'm explaining what are the things you need to follow. After that, I will get into the chart and I'll show you what to do, what not to do. System circuit breakouts. Okay. So the daily loss limit you need to fix. Fixed position sizing you need to fix. The mandatory break you need to fix. Expense acceptance. Okay. Frame a loss psychologically as a standard business operating expense, not as a personal failure. There will be losses when you do any business also. Ensure that it is not your loss, it is a business loss. Okay. The daily mental checklist. The trade only your predetermined plan. So I am going to show you what predetermined plan should be. Accept complete uncertainty in the outcome of any single trade. Control your risk before calculating potential to rewards. Protect your core capital above all other objectives. Walk away the moment execution become emotional. Okay. When you try to do emotional trading, then get out of the system. Okay. The survival matrix. Order what actually works. Strict risk management. It works. shows what destroys trader, revenge trading and chasing. Emotional control and neutrality, overconfidence and hubris. Patience for the setup, it works. Over trading or boredom. When you feel there is no moment, at least you want to take some trade, hence you enter, so that will end up in a loss. Consistency in execution will work. Proven strategy validation will work. Unwavering discipline will work. Whatever I have explained in the entire training session, which are all proven, historically back-tested, then only I am giving you training. Otherwise, I will not be making this training session to you people, so that the kind of training I have attended, where I lost the money, I don't want to give that kind of training to you people so that you lose the money. Okay. So the gambling mindset you need to remove, executing with the no plan, operating with no stop loss. You have to move out of all these things, get into all these things to be a successful trader. The architecture never fails, the architect does. The architecture never fails, the architect does. The rules which I have given to you, that will never fail, but the mindset what you follow, that will fail. Okay, so this is about the psychology and mindset. Now I will come to the chart. Look at this. Look at the beautiful setup. Okay, look at this. Understand. I was knowing very well. You see the drawing here. You see the so how many times it tried to go down, how many times it tried to go down. Now it given the breakout, sudden big breakout. This is about natural gas. The setup what I am using multi-time frame, 4-hour EMA 14, 4-hour EMA 40, 30-minute EMA 5, 30-minute EMA 14, 30-minute EMA 40. Simple setup. Okay, this works absolutely like Gann level. If you want to see the Gann level, I will show you. Absolutely, it works like that only. See here. Where the level came, where the moving averages are there, almost there only Gann level is coming. Okay. Based on that, you can trade. Now you see the silver future. Okay. Silver future. You see, whenever the price comes near to this lowest EMA, 5 EMA in 30-minute time frame, you keep selling. Keep selling. This is your stop loss. Keep selling. Keep selling. This is your stop loss. Keep selling. Keep selling. When it is downtrend, keep selling. Keep selling. Keep selling. Okay. Purely downtrend. Okay. So gold. Talk about gold. I am keeping showing in 3-minute time frame. Okay. So not in higher time frame. See the setup. See the setup. Selling. Now the price came above this level. You will buy. Here you will buy. You will not buy. You will keep this moving average as stop loss. You will sell again. This moving average as a stop loss. When price comes here, you will sell again. When price comes here, you will keep this moving average as a stop loss. You will sell again. This is how you need to follow. Next video, I am going to explain you how the setup need to be created for the particular intraday trading. So till that time, you completely understand what setup you need to follow, what are the things you need to follow. Okay, because if I complete everything in this video, it will be getting bored. Hence, I am shifting this session to one more video. Thank you. Please like a review about our training and encourage others to attend this training. Thank you.